How much should you actually spend on cool kitchen gadgets? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Luo Coco Cute Egg Separator. Priced at $7.99. This little gadget caught my eye with its adorable vomiting chicken design. If you want to make separating egg whites from yolks a bit more fun, this is worth a serious look. So here's why this matters for you specifically. The unique design means you simply break an egg into the top of the separator and the egg white flows out, while the yolk stays put. It's not only practical, but also a fun addition to your kitchen. Plus, it's made of ceramic, which is cleaner and healthier than plastic options. And with over 1,000 sold just last month, it's clear others are loving it too. Now, some people complained about it being a bit small, which could be a hassle if you're cooking for a crowd. Here's the thing though, if you're just whipping up a few eggs, this isn't a deal breaker for most home cooks. This is perfect for you if you enjoy quirky kitchen tools and want to make cooking a little more fun. Skip this one if you often need to separate large batches of eggs for baking. Now, if the size of the egg separator bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Ototo Splatipus Jar Spatula. The list is the Ototo Splatipus Jar Spatula, retailing at $14.95. This quirky spatula features a fun design that definitely caught my attention. If you want to ensure you're not wasting a single bit of your favorite spreads, this is worth a serious look. Here's why it matters for you. The Splatipus is cleverly designed to reach every nook of your jars, whether it's peanut butter or jam. Made from BPA-free silicone, it's safe for food and easy to clean. With over 500 sold last month, it's clear people find it super handy for meal prep and snack time. But I have to be honest, some users mentioned it can be a bit too flexible for tough spreads. If you need something with more rigidity, this might not cut it. But for most home cooks, its flexibility is a plus for getting every last drop. This gadget is perfect for you if you love nut butters and jams and want to make sure you're getting your money's worth out of every jar. Utensils for your kitchen. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for making food prep a breeze.
Product number 3, Ototo Sir Peels a Lot Peeler. The Ototo Sir Peels a Lot, also priced at $14.95. This medieval-themed peeler is not just a novelty, it's actually super functional. If you want to make peeling fruits and veggies a bit more enjoyable, this is worth a serious look. Why is this important? With its swivel blade and cushioned handle, peeling potatoes or carrots becomes way easier. It's made of stainless steel, so it won't rust or dull over time, which is crucial for anyone who cooks regularly. It's also dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. With over 400 sold last month, this peeler is definitely making its mark. However, some users found the design a bit gimmicky for their taste. Here's the thing though, if you love fun kitchen gadgets, this is a great way to add some joy to your cooking routine. If you prefer traditional tools, this might not be for you. This is perfect for you if you enjoy whimsical kitchen tools and want to make meal prep less of a chore. Skip this one if you want something more straightforward and classic. Now, if the thematic design of the peeler didn't appeal to you, the next gadget is all about pure functionality.
Product number 4, Pliz Herb Stripper Tool, priced at just $4.29. This tool really intrigued me with its practical design. If you want to save time stripping herbs, this is worth a serious look. Here's why you'll love it. It features 9 different holes designed for various thicknesses, making it super easy to strip leaves from stems in seconds. The stainless steel construction means it's durable and won't rust, which is essential for anyone who uses fresh herbs often. Plus, it's compact and fits comfortably in your hand. With over 400 sold last month, it's becoming a kitchen staple. Some users mentioned that it can be a little clunky for very delicate herbs, but here's the thing. If you're working with sturdier herbs like rosemary or thyme, this tool is a total time saver. This is perfect for you if you love cooking with fresh herbs and want to streamline your prep work. Skip this one if you mainly use dried herbs or don't cook with herbs much. Alright, that was a handy tool, but our last gadget might surprise you with its value.
Product number 5, 5 Pieces Kitchen Gadget Set. We have the 5 Pieces Kitchen Gadget Set, which is an incredible deal at $8.95. This set caught my attention because you get multiple tools for a great price. If you want a variety of essential tools without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's the scoop. This set includes a cheese grater, pizza cutter, bottle opener, and a swiveling peeler,
all designed for easy use. The durable ABS plastic and stainless steel blades ensure you're getting quality without the premium price tag. Plus, the nesting design saves space, which is a huge plus for smaller kitchens. With over 200 sets sold recently, people are loving the value. Now, some buyers mention that the quality isn't as high as standalone tools. But here's the thing. For the price, you're getting a solid starter kit that covers all the basics, making it an excellent value for money. This is perfect for you if you're setting up your first kitchen or need some reliable tools on a budget. Skip this one if you're looking for high-end professional-grade tools. Now, if you're looking for affordable solutions that don't compromise on functionality, these gadgets might just be what you need.
We've covered some really fun and practical gadgets today. The cute egg separator brings a bit of joy to your cooking, while the Splatipus spatula helps you get every last bit from your jars. The Sir Peels a Lot adds fun to peeling, and the Plies herb stripper makes herb prep easy. Finally, the 5 pieces kitchen gadget set is a fantastic value for anyone looking to stock their kitchen. Each of these tools has something unique to offer, and they can genuinely simplify your cooking experience.